Let's follow a stickman through an ordinary day, except it's not ordinary. He's using AI about 15 times before lunch and he has no idea. Most people think they don't use AI. They're wrong. You're probably using it right now just by being here. Let's make the invisible visible. Our stickman wakes up. His phone alarm goes off at 7:15 a.m. But here's the thing. If you have a smart alarm that wakes you during light sleep, that's AI analyzing your movement patterns through the night. It's trying to wake you when you'll feel most refreshed, not just at a fixed time. He reaches for his phone. Face unlock. Neural networks trained on millions of faces recognize you in different lighting, different angles, even with morning bedhead or if you're wearing glasses. It's constantly checking dozens of facial data points in milliseconds. He scrolls through photos. They're automatically sorted into albums. Beach, family, food. You didn't organize those. AI recognized the content, the people, the locations. All automatic. It knows your mom's face better than you think. He checks email. While he slept, AI filtered through dozens of spam emails. It recognized patterns of scam language, suspicious links, and fake sender addresses. You only see the clean inbox. The battle happened invisibly. He starts typing a response. Thanks for, and AI suggests, reaching out, I'll get back to you soon. Those suggested responses? AI analyzing the email content and predicting what you'd likely say based on patterns in how billions of people respond to similar emails. He checks the weather app. Modern weather forecasting uses AI to analyze satellite data, historical patterns, and atmospheric conditions. It's why forecasts are more accurate than they were 20 years ago. Still not perfect, but significantly better. He gets in the car. GPS calculates his route. But it's not just knowing roads. It's analyzing real-time traffic patterns, accident reports, historical slowdowns at this time of day, and predicting which route gets you there fastest. That's AI processing thousands of data points. He drives through an intersection. In smart cities, AI adjusts traffic light timing based on real-time congestion. You might hit fewer red lights thanks to invisible AI management. You think it's luck. It's algorithms. At work, he opens his laptop. His browser's security warnings? AI constantly analyzing new phishing attempts and malware patterns to warn you before you click dangerous links. It's learned what sketchy looks like from millions of examples. He types an email. I'll send te report by Friday. Instantly corrected to the report. You probably think you're a decent typist. You're not. You make dozens of typos that AI silently fixes. It predicts what word you meant based on context and patterns in language. Lunch break. He buys lunch with his credit card. Your credit card company uses AI to monitor every transaction for suspicious patterns. When you buy something unusual, AI flags it instantly. That's why you sometimes get fraud alerts seconds after swiping. It's protecting you in real time. He browses online. Every recommended for you section is AI analyzing your browsing patterns, purchase history, and what similar customers bought. It's not random. It's calculated to show you things you're statistically likely to want. He scrolls social media during break. You're not seeing posts chronologically. AI decides what you see based on what you've engaged with before, what you might find interesting, and what keeps you scrolling longest. Your feed is personalized by algorithms trained on your behavior. He watches a video. Those automatically generated captions? Speech recognition AI, trained on millions of hours of audio to convert speech to text in real time. Not perfect, but impressive. It's listening and transcribing faster than you can read. Lunch ends. He puts on headphones. Spotify's Discover Weekly, Apple Music's suggestions, AI analyzing your listening patterns and matching them to patterns in music genres, tempo, mood, and what similar listeners enjoy. Your personal DJ is an algorithm. He gets home, exhausted. And we didn't even cover voice assistants, smart home thermostats learning your preferences, TV recommendations, noise cancellation in headphones, camera portrait mode, translation apps, Autocomplete in search engines. So here's the truth. You're not starting to use AI. You've been using it for years. It's been invisible infrastructure, quietly making your life more convenient. The question isn't whether to use AI. You already are. The question is, now that you see it, how can you use it more intentionally? Every AI tool you use today was trained the same way we showed you in the classroom. Millions of examples, pattern recognition, constant adjustment. Now you understand what's happening behind the scenes. In the next video, we'll dive into ChatGPT specifically, how it works, why it sometimes gets things wrong, and how to use it effectively. It's the AI everyone's talking about, explained in 90 seconds. Then we'll go deeper. Thanks for watching. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe. We'll keep revealing what's really happening with AI. See you next time.